Today I will be filming a fun makeup challenge, which is the infamous 20 pounds makeup challenge, and let me tell you, this was way more difficult than I thought that it would be. So I spent just 20 pounds for all the products that I'm gonna put today on my face, and it's been a tough one because let me tell you, the prices have gone up crazy, the inflation and all of that is just woo. But I managed it, I did it, and let's get started. So I'm gonna start out with the foundation because I ain't got money for the primer. And for the foundation, I'm gonna use the Ordinary Light Coverage Serum Foundation in the lightweight serum formula. And this is for the first time ever I'm using a product from the Ordinary. This costed £5.70. And let me tell you, this is the most expensive product from all of this whole makeup thing, because I thought if the base is gonna be quite crap, then there is no point to do anything else. And this is in the shade 1.1p for fair pink undertones. And it seems that it's very liquidy. This is the first time impressions as well. Oh wow. Okay, why am I opening it this way? I'm supposed to press because it's a little pump, I guess. I just hope that it's my shade because that's my biggest issue with makeup. Let's see how it works on the skin. Okay, come on. Give me some foundation. Oh, finally. Oh my lord, it's so liquidy. This foundation is absolutely banging, like it glided on the skin so well. It's my shade, it's not cakey, it's light covering, and it's so nice, like I can't actually feel it. I'm so impressed, and for a fiver, like I'm a big fan of this foundation. Next, I'm gonna use concealer, and this is number 17 Boots On brand, which is Second Skin Enhancing Concealer, and this is in the shade 00N, and this was only £2, so I don't think I can have much trouble with it. I mean, I can have trouble, but I can't ask a lot from a concealer that costs just like £2. So let's see how it's gonna work on my skin. Been watching lately so many videos about the correct application of the concealer, so I hope I'm doing it right. But you know, everyone has its own way of applying the makeup, and I think if you get used to one way, then you just go with that all the time. It seems that it dries very quickly, so I better hurry up. It seems that it blends quite nicely. I read people say that it's dry, but I think it's alright. I mean, I have a very oily type of skin, so I think that's gonna work well for me. Next, I'm gonna set up my face, and for this I'm gonna use the powder called Press Powder from Collection, which is Matte Finish UV sunscreens with vitamin E, and this is in the shade 18 Ivory. This powder costed £2.49, and it wasn't the cheapest one, but I thought if I can get a better one for a higher price, then that would do better for me, because you know, when you see the cheapest makeup, it never inspires you any trust. So let's see if it's my shade and how it's gonna work on my skin. Okay, it seems that it's my shade and it's quite lightweight. It's a very nice powder. I mean, for its price, you can't ask for more. So that's what I like about this makeup challenge. It's like you never know what amazing cheap products you can find, because you know, we all like this high-end stuff, but like the cheap guys, never underestimate them, right? And I think this challenge is even more challenging in these times. Like I said before, the prices are now so incredibly high, like everything, not just makeup. So I thought like this would be impossible nowadays, but it seems like we still can find like cheap makeup, which is so good. For my bronzer, I'm gonna use this super cute palette from Revolution, which has blush, bronzer and highlighter, and it was only £3.50, and this is an absolute steal. Like these things, if you buy them separately, they're so expensive. So it has a very cool tone bronzer, which reminds me of the Hoola from Benefit. Oh, that is so clever! This tiny palette has like a little mirror here, like on the top, which is so cool. You can actually see yourself. Like, this is genius. Next, I'm gonna go with the blush from the same palette, and I must tell you that I'm not really impressed by this blush because I'm not a fan of orange kind of shades. I'm more into the pinky ones, but I hope it's gonna be a good shade for my cheeks. Okay, this blush is not really pigmented. And it seems like if I blend with the bronzer it gets patchy. And now I'm gonna grab this brush from Real Techniques, which is literally my favorite. And I'm gonna get some highlighter from the same palette. In case you forgot, it's the same one and it has a nice kind of champagne-y highlighter. Ooh, the highlight is very pretty. Ooh, wow, I like it. Reminds me so much of the Fenty one. Yeah, the highlighter is absolutely gorgeous. I like it. Yeah, so far, let me tell you, this palette is really nice. The bronzer is quite good. The highlighter is quite good. A little bit of a letdown from the blush, but we're okay. Moving on into the brows. And for the brows, I'm gonna use this Duo Brow Definer Precise Tip for Ultimate Definition in the shade Medium Brown from Revolution. It looks very fancy. I like the fact that it has like two ends. I mean, it has here the stick and on the other side the spoolie, which is very cool. Yeah, it's quite light for my eyebrows. My eyebrows are darker. I mean, my eyebrows are a whole mess, so I don't know if this is gonna help or not, but we'll try. Did I mention this costed only 3 quid? So no high expectations again. But then again, no high expectations for any of these products considering their prices. The thing itself is actually quite good. It's very pigmented and you don't have to press really hard to get some product because it works really nice. And now moving on into the mascara. And for my eyelashes, I'm gonna use again Boots own brand number 17, and this is Another Level Volume Mascara. This was only 2 quid, which is wowza. I think this is literally the cheapest mascara I got on their website, and I was like, amazing, like, because this is the brand they brought back no long ago, and I'm like, just in time for my precious little video. Oh my goodness, look at this one. This absolutely gigantic. It's so huge. I hope this is gonna help to give my eyelashes some volume. Okay, I think it gives them a really nice volume. Like, you have to apply actually a couple of coats. But for this price, like, literally is banging. Alright, I'm actually impressed. Did you see that volume? Like, wowza! It's like I have false eyelashes and I'm actually so impressed. And for the cherry on the cake is the lips, obviously. And let me tell you, I had a bit of struggle to find something for the lips because I kind of was out of money. At this point, I had only like 1 quid. I think 1 quid and a couple of penny. You do the maths and see how much I have left. But I couldn't find any lipsticks or any lip pencils for 1 quid. So I'm like, what am I gonna do? Like, it's crazy. And I did it. I found the cheapest lip product available on Amazon, which was £1 and I think 5 pence or so. It's a product from Essence, which is called Essence Soft and Precise Lip Pencil in the shade Charming. I can cheat with this and use all over my lips because I don't have a lipstick, so that's gonna work and that's gonna give me some color, and that's all I'm asking for, right? So let's see how it's gonna do my lips. Okay, as a lip liner it's very good, but not all over your lips, but that's the point of it because it's just a lip liner. But I'm gonna apply all over my lips. Hopefully it's gonna work because I see that where I apply it on my lips and there's a bit of foundation, that it goes really well because it kind of works with the creaminess of the foundation. Creaminess. Yeah, but like on its own on the lips it's quite drying. So that's it, mission accomplished. I managed to do my whole face of makeup with products worth only no more than £20, and I think this is absolutely amazing considering the prices and the inflation and everything that's going on right now. So I'm super happy with this look. What do you think about it? But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to see more of my future videos, and apart from that, see you next time. Mwah. Bye.